EPSITRON Pro power supplies are designed for applications with maximum power requirements and peak loads, which can be covered reliably with the Power Boost feature. This feature provides up to 200% of the rated current at the output for up to 4 seconds. On some devices, the fuse mode can also be selected as an alternative to constant current operation. In the event of a short circuit or overload, the integrated top boost feature ensures fast and reliable triggering of the secondary side fusing. The RS-232 interface allows remote configuration and monitoring. This makes the EPSITRON Pro Power a professional and efficient power supply with extra power.